Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create and add a watermark in Canva. This is a great way to protect your designs, brand your content, or prevent unauthorized use. On the Canva dashboard, let's take a look at this project. If we want to add a watermark, we just need to click on Uploads. Or we can use a text box instead. For example, a simple text box with the words Sample Photography can work as a watermark. Let's use that as our example. We can adjust the font to make it look more stylish and fitting for our design. Next, let's adjust the transparency so the watermark is visible but not too distracting. Now, we will place the photo and the watermark together. The watermark can go anywhere on the design, as long as it is easy to notice without taking attention away from the main content. And that's how we create and add a watermark in Canva. With just a few simple adjustments, we can protect our designs and keep them safe.